I am Sushant Jadhav, Managing Director of ASPL, Ajinkyatara Solutions Pvt Ltd. Welcome to the TLC Expo. We are manufacturers of all types of LT control panels like the APFC panels, PCC panels, VFD panels, and the automation panels. Here we are displaying here our automation panel with the PLC programming. So we can see here. Here are some of the starters of the panel, and there is the PLC, HMI, and the VFD of the Crompton Greaves company, which is of the 60 HP. If you want a perfect automation solution in any kind of make, we can say it's Mitsubishi, it's Delta, it's either Siemens or Allen Bradley, so we can provide it. It is basically the control panel for the construction machine manufacturing company.